Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before I begin, there is one thing that I will need, which is a SIM eject tool. Now you can find it somewhere in the box that the device came in, but if you don't want to bother, you can always use a paper clip. Just straighten out one on the edges and it should work. So from there, pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the device, which right basically here, as you can see. There you go, as you can see it pops out, and here you have access to a SIM tray and SD tray, or two different SIMs. So if you place a SIM card on the SD tray, it would go like so, as you can see. Let's pop that out and put it next, and oops, there we go. As you can see, that's how you replace SIM and SD card, and it kind of holds in place. The SIM card might be a little bit loose, but yeah. Now let's just slide it back into the device, and there we go. There's the pin for the SIM card, so the SIM card is working, and SD card is as well, as you can see. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.